Diving into the world of Amazon unveils a promising avenue for entrepreneurs in the selling field. In this video, we will unravel the complexities of wholesale selling on Amazon, guided by the functionalities offered by Jungle Scout. We will explore how leveraging this powerful platform can transform wholesale selling into a manageable and profitable venture. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Amazon's sprawling marketplace, enriched by the contributions of over 6 million third-party sellers globally, presents an exceptional opportunity for enterprising individuals. Within this vast ecosystem, a significant fraction, 25% of sellers, adopt a business model known as wholesale. This approach involves purchasing large quantities of branded products from manufacturers, suppliers, or contributors to resell to a vast array of consumers, spanning items from the latest gadgets to everyday kitchen utensils and beloved toys. For those contemplating a venture into the realm of selling wholesale on Amazon, the journey promises lucrative prospects, albeit accompanied by a learning curve and a set of challenges unique to the wholesale model. Understanding the intricacies of this business strategy is pivotal. From identifying the right products and suppliers to navigating the logistics of selling on a platform as dynamic as Amazon. Setting up an Amazon seller account marks the beginning of this journey, a step that is seemingly straightforward yet critical. It serves as the gateway to the Amazon marketplace, where opportunities abound for those equipped with the right knowledge and tools. The subsequent phases involve selecting a product that not only resonates with a wide audience, but also aligns with the wholesale model's bulk purchasing requirements. This selection process is where Jungle Scout, a tool designed to simplify the complexities of selling on Amazon, becomes invaluable. By leveraging its extensive database and insightful analytics, sellers can pinpoint high-demand products that promise both viability and profitability. After finding the right products to sell, the next big step is buying these products. This part requires talking to and making deals with the brands, manufacturers, or distributors of these products. Once again, Jungle Scout comes to the rescue by giving you a list of suppliers and a way to do deep market research. With Jungle Scout, you can make sure you are choosing products that will sell well and getting them at the best prices possible. This helps ensure you are not just finding any products, but the right ones that can make your Amazon store successful. Putting your product up for sale on Amazon is an essential step that comes next. You might add your products to pages that already exist or make new ones. Jungle Scout's Chrome extension is very helpful here because it gives you the latest information and data straight from Amazon. This tool helps you make smart choices about how to price your products, who you are competing against, and what's trending. By using this data, you can make sure more people see and buy your products. But your work is not done once your products are listed for sale. You also need to keep track of your inventory, make sure your sales are going well, and think about how to grow your business. This is where tools from Jungle Scout like the Inventory Manager become very important. They help you keep just the right amount of stock so you always have what your customers want, but don't spend too much on storage. By managing your inventory wisely, you can keep your business running smoothly and get ready for bigger things ahead. Navigating the wholesale business model on Amazon requires a nuanced understanding of its advantages and challenges compared to other selling strategies. Unlike arbitrage, which involves buying discounted products from retail outlets to sell on Amazon, wholesale sellers engage directly with suppliers to secure bulk purchases. This direct engagement allows for better pricing and supply chain stability, but also demands a more considerable initial investment and a keen eye for market research. The distinctions don't stop with arbitrage. Wholesale selling also differs markedly from private labeling and dropshipping. While private label sellers create and market their own branded products, wholesale sellers capitalize on the existing demand for established brands. This approach significantly reduces the need for extensive marketing, but introduces the challenge of standing out in a crowded marketplace. Dropshipping, with its minimal upfront investment and hands-off inventory management, might seem like an attractive alternative. However, wholesale selling offers greater control over inventory pricing and fulfillment, a crucial advantage for those committed to building a scalable and profitable business on Amazon. Yet, the allure of wholesale selling is not without its pitfalls. The competitive landscape of Amazon means that sellers must navigate the intricacies of market demand, pricing, strategies, and supplier relationships. The initial costs, coupled with the need for diligent research and outreach to brands, can be daunting. It's here that Jungle Scout's comprehensive tools and resources become an essential ally, guiding sellers through the maze of wholesale selling on Amazon. Starting your journey in the Amazon wholesale world involves a lot of research and decision making. Jungle Scout makes these early steps easier by helping you find good products to sell and reliable suppliers. With its product database and Chrome extension, you get up-to-date info about what people want to buy, who else is selling similar things, and how much money you could make. Jungle Scout's supplier database helps you connect with trustworthy suppliers. Plus, Jungle Scout has lots of earning materials that show you how to talk to suppliers, make good deals, and make your product listings the best they can be. But Jungle Scout does not just help you when you are starting out. It's also great for helping your business grow and run smoothly over time. For example, its inventory manager tool makes sure you always have enough products to sell, but not so many that you are wasting money on storage. Jungle Scout also keeps giving you new info about what's happening in the market. This means you can change your plans to stay ahead of the game. With these tools, you can keep your business doing well and ready for the future. In wrapping up, starting an Amazon wholesale business with Jungle Scout as your guide can lead to big rewards. This journey can be tricky, but with Jungle Scout's help, it gets a lot easier. Jungle Scout offers all the tools and support you need from setting up your seller account to growing your business. Now is the perfect time to get into wholesale on Amazon. Use the Jungle Scout's tools and tips on market research and managing your inventory, and you will see your business grow. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and till next time.